Joining us now in a CNBC exclusive, Bank of New York Mellon President and CEO Robin Vince. He's going to be ringing the bell in honor of Founders Day. It's good to have you, Robin. Welcome.
It's great to be here with you, Sarah and Carl.
So what are you seeing in the flows? Do they back up the kind of action we've seen in stocks lately?
Well, look, as we sit here with the touch points that you described, America's oldest bank on our Founders Day, by the way, and a sort of 239 years old today.
So it's today Alexander Hamilton
It is literally
Day?
Our birthday today. Founded by Alexander Hamilton, first stock ever listed on the New York Stock Exchange. So there's a little bit of a homecoming here for us right now as well. But look, I was in Europe 2 or 3 weeks ago, and one of the things that I was really struck by when I was talking to CEOs in the region was just how interested they are at investing in the United States. When you think about some of the challenges that they've had in Europe in terms of energy security there and the attractiveness of the labor pool, the energy independence here, the vibrancy of our economy is very attractive to them. And so as we kind of look through what's happening and look to what happens down the road with the U.S. economy, I think there's reason to be optimistic.
So you see actually pent-up demand from foreign investors? Because all we hear about is Japan. That's the shiny new object for foreign investors. And India, a little bit. Mexico. Not so much U.S.
Well, when you look at the fundamentals of what the U.S. offer, it has a lot of the ingredients, and foreign investors see that as attractive. And we've seen that with some of the listings that have been coming in. We are a large issuer services provider as a company, so we have that direct dialogue with companies who are thinking about and weighing the decision about where is it that they're going to actually make the investment. And then innovation. The U.S. is such an important part of the innovation story, and so although 40% of our revenues come from outside of the U.S., because we are a global firm, we are seeing a lot of innovations here. For us, for instance, as an example, just this week, we launched our new wealth management infrastructure platform called Wove, which is helping across our $2.3 trillion of wealth assets that we have on our platform, helping those advisors be more efficient and be able to really manage their relationships with clients and spend more time doing what it is that they want to do. There absolutely is AI in it. What next best idea? And that's important. You know, for us, AI is another aspect of innovation and an opportunity to give machine leverage so that advisors in this particular case have kind of a co-pilot helping them along the way. So they get to spend time doing what they want to do, focused on their clients. So we are focused on helping them to be more productive.
Your points about Europe are interesting because for a while it was U.S. desks that were saying overweight Europe because they were avoiding all these worst case scenarios. I mean, is it a kind of mutual admiration society or what?
So I think there's a difference in terms of people who are looking right at the present, who are trying to trade the next tick in the market. There's a sort of group of people who are focused on that. But we're not really in the predicting business. We're in the preparing business and helping our clients to prepare business. So we try to look through to what's coming, what are the evolutions and trends in the market, and how can we help our clients navigate those types of environments, Carl. And so for us, that's where the product innovation comes from. Again, just coming back to innovation, another good example in the United States, real-time payments, which is an important evolution of the payment system. And we are helping to take that and turn it into things. So today, we've got Mocafy with us. Mocafy is a provider of services, a last mile provider that helps to bridge the gap on underbanked and unbanked in the United States. But coupled with our payments platform and all of the touch that we have, we can help them to go about their business more effectively.